Welcome back. Big breaking news coming in. This is related to the Umesh Pal murder case. This is related to the encounter which had taken place. Now, there is going to be a magisterial inquiry into the shooters who were killed in the encounter. Shooter Vijay Chaudhary and Arbaz, remember, were killed in that encounter. DM Prayagraj has ordered a magisterial inquiry into the same. In fact, reports say that anyone who can give information regarding the encounter will also be considered. Any person is allowed now to file an information, his statement as well. Also, if anyone can provide confidential evidence, that will also be considered. ADM can give evidence in the administrative office and that statement can be filed till the 31st of March. Both these accused, remember, have been killed in an encounter. Their names had cropped up in the Umesh Pal murder case. That's the latest coming in at the moment as far as Umesh Pal murder case is concerned. My colleague Ahmed is joining us on the phone line. Ahmed, this is the big breaking news coming in related to the Umesh Pal murder case. So the DM Prayagraj has now ordered a magisterial inquiry into the encounters.
Well, clearly as per the existing rules, all encounters have to be followed by a magisterial inquiry. And this has to happen within 3 months of a police encounter taking place. This is definitely as per the Supreme Court guidelines given almost a decade. Therefore, into both these encounter killings that have happened post the murder of Umesh Pal on the 24th of February, the magisterial inquiry is taking place, and a report will duly be submitted with the court. And regarding both these encounters, people in general have been asked to come forward and submit their evidence before the court in case they have some adverse evidence against the police as regards the unlawfulness of these encounters is concerned. They've been invited to submit any witness accounts or information that they might have against the police or in favor of these persons. Arbaz, who's understood to be the driver of the car which was used in committing the murder on the 24th of February, and Vijay Chaudhary, alias Usman, who was gunned down later on by the police almost 2 weeks after Umesh Pal murder. So this is in line with what the rules actually say. But clearly, a huge challenge before the police right now to lay their hands on the shooters, because it's been over 3 weeks since that incident happened, and the police has still not been able to either arrest or gun down any of those shooters who were directly involved with the Umesh Pal killing, or those big names, including that of Atiq Ahmed's wife, Shaista Parveen, as well as other shooters or son of Atiq Ahmed, who was directly said to be involved in the Umesh Pal murder.
Well, absolutely. So the trouble is increasing for the state police, considering that they have not yet arrested Atiq's son or other main offenders in the case. But also give us a little more details on these two, Vijay Chaudhary and Arbaz, who had been killed in these encounters, in which now the DM has ordered a magisterial inquiry. And what next really for the state police?
Well, as I said, this magisterial inquiry is mandatory, and this has to follow any such police encounter takes place, whether it results into a grave injury to the person who's against whom the encounter has been carried out, or it results into the death of an alleged criminal who's actually involved in the encounter. And therefore, Arbaz and Vijay Chaudhary, alias Usman, who had been gunned down in police encounters over the last 3 weeks after Umesh Pal murder, this magisterial inquiry has been ordered. As far as the police is concerned, its main task still remains and revolves around the main shooters who were involved in the Umesh Pal killing. They definitely had been identified, including Ghulam Muhammad, Guddu Muslim, as well as Sabir and Asad. These are the people who are actually wanted directly in connection with either throwing bombs therein while Umesh Pal and his two gunners were being gunned down, or the manner in which they were directly attacked with firearms. So the huge challenge before police right now is to nail all these accused, because over the last 3 weeks or so, police has been trying its best to trace them within state boundaries as well as in other states across the length and breadth of the country. But it seems now that the police believes that these shooters might actually have fled to neighboring Nepal or some other foreign country, and therefore it becomes even more bigger challenge for the police to trace these accused.
Absolutely, challenges galore for the state police. Meanwhile, an inquiry also has been ordered in the encounter which took place related to the case. For now, Amir, thank you for joining us with all these details. With that, we'll slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Don't go anywhere.